Alright, real quick, right now it is still August 31st. It is a little before 11 p.m. I'll leave for the airport in about 5 hours. It's probably really getting to packing. Going to Africa for 2 weeks. Let's go! It is now 4:21 in the morning. I have not slept, but all my stuff is now packed, underweight, and I'm running late to pick up Emily, and you're about to meet my friend Dave. Let's go. Say goodbye to my mom first, actually.
It's because I can't at all.
I'm vlogging.
Alright, just get used to it. He does it every 5 seconds on every vacation.
Whatever. I forgot to properly introduce my friend Dave. Dave, say hi.
What's up?
You guys know Emily, forget about her though. Brian and Nicole, we never did a formal introduction to the vlog. Wave hello. So, just about an hour left in this flight. I've been asleep for probably like 11 hours during this entire thing, which was awesome. Finally on our flight from Johannesburg to Cape Town. See you in a little bit. So we're here now, waiting for our bags. Much like the last flight, I slept the whole way. What about you, Davey?
What's up, vlog? Welcome to my crib.
Good morning. Today is gonna be a really cool day. Are you laughing at me? I started talking and you immediately started laughing. I thought you were laughing at me. This morning we are here at Boulders Beach. We're gonna see some penguins. Let's hit it.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes on fire. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. Those ocean
Hey vlog, it's us again. We have penguins over here. Trying to be really quiet.
You could always hit my phone 213-267-9932. Girl, you know I'ma make this steady.
This place is so cool. What's up guys, back in the hotel room. Very awesome morning today with the penguins. Just resting right now, and then today, this afternoon, we are gonna go to Table Mountain.
You're like a part of me that only I can see. You're even with me when I'm all alone. The people stop and stare. They say that no one's there. Maybe we're better when we're
Quick update on what's happening here. We had a tour booked today for a Table Mountain city tour, but we realized we don't really want to do the city tour. We told our tour guide that we are not going to continue on with her. But she was really nice, and she even had the driver drop us off at the trailhead for Lion's Head. And here we are now, hiking up.
I'll take you anywhere. I'll take you anywhere. I go 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 anywhere. I'll take you anywhere.
Made it to the top. Came here for this rock. Alright, finish at the top of Lion's Head, watching the sunset.
It's really pretty.
Oh, it's so beautiful right now.
I can see you're even with me when I'm all alone. The people stop and stare. They say that no one's there. Maybe we're better when we're on our own.
Good morning, day 3 in Cape Town, going to tour the winelands.
I've been rolling through the wreckage. I've been dusting off the mess you made. I've been feeling kinda restless. I've been trying not to walk away. Feel my knees start to buckle. I've been standing here for far too long. Shiver running up my spine. Tell me what's right, what's wrong. I waited for you to be strong enough.
Here for another wine tasting. Olive vineyard behind me.
I wasn't the only one holding this up.
So we're at the Marathi Wine Estate. I think that's what it's called. They keep it very old school. There's cobwebs everywhere. This place, super awesome. Probably my favorite place we've been to today. Good morning. It is day 4, I guess full 3rd day in Cape Town. We slept in this morning, and that's because our great white shark cage diving was canceled due to rough seas because of the weather. It's supposed to clear up after noon, so we're going to try to see if another company can do an afternoon tour today. We called a couple great white shark cage diving tour operators this morning, and unfortunately, due to the weather, tours have been canceled this entire week, which is past our time here in Cape Town. Today we're gonna go back to the waterfront, do a little shopping, and then we're gonna do another hike once the day gets a little better. What's up, guys? What up? We're here now, Cape Point, going up to that lighthouse up there. Don't know if you can see it, but beautiful day. Weather's cleared up. Ocean is lovely. Also, there's a bunch of baboons around here. These dudes are crazy. Woo! Hey! 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 This baboon started grabbing this woman, so I just yelled at it. But then it started running at me, and I didn't know what to do, and I was fucking terrified, so I started running. I'm down on the beach. Everyone's kind of doing their own thing right now. I'm down here. Davey's all the way up there. Cole and Brian are over there. Emily, I think, is making her way up to where Davey is. Let's go play in the water. This baboon.
What?
No, sorry. This baboon
You can't yell baboon
has
like that.
Nicole's bag. I think Brian's chasing after her. Him. It. Baboon. Fuck these baboons. Put your shoes on. A little rocky here. Sure. Aww. Aww. What was that?
I apologize for this, by the way.
Dave, is this your fault?
Yeah, pretty much.
No.
There's no food in there, so when he's done with it, he'll just drop it.
and there's really nothing in there that's worth getting bit over, so it's fine.
Nicole, do you want to explain what's happening?
So Davey climbed up to the top, a baboon followed him, took his book bag. Brian came to the rescue, then the baboon got scared and ran down and took my book bag. So now the baboon has my book bag.
It's going through it,
And it's eating the Polaroid camera.
eating the Polaroid camera.
He's gonna rip the flash off!
Baboon dropped the bag. They started coming after the rest of us who had bags. So we decided it's better off to just leave. On our way up these stairs right here, whole family just waiting for us. They're trying to get close. I don't think they had really any malicious intent. That was nuts. We're getting out of here as soon as we can to get these animals. Terrifying. That was probably one of the scariest things I've ever seen. Yeah, I think I got my daily dose of fear today. Instead of great white shark cage diving. Let's go. If you like what you've seen today, like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit us up on social. Let me know if you find the cool stuff. Alright? See ya.